IELTS Part 129. So now that you have your outline, you can start organizing your notes. Organize them according to the outline. As you go along, you'll start seeing what information is important to emphasize, what information you may actually not want to include, what you need to find out more about, etc. So, organizing your notes helps you understand your information better and stop to analyze it. The next step is to write your first draft. If you have developed a good outline and organize your notes well, then this should not be too difficult. Following your outline, present your information and analysis of it. Then, of course, the next thing to do is revise your draft, read it over carefully, checking to make sure that you have explained your ideas clearly and presented your information correctly. You may want to recognize some of your information at this point too. Finally, you'll type your final draft on the computer. Make sure that you check it for punctuation error, spell errors before you hand it in. Okay, that's general outline of how to go about writing a research paper. Now let's talk about the proper format for footnotes and bibliographic entries. Narrator. That's the end of section 4. You now have half a minute to check your answers. You will now have 10 minutes to transfer your answers to the listening answer sheet. Pause CD for 10 minutes. That is almost the end of the test. You now have 1 minute more to check all your answers. Pause CD for 1 minute. That is the end of the listening section. Model test 3. Model test 4. Narrator. IELTS listening model test 4. You will hear a number of different recordings and you will have to answer questions on what you hear. There will be time for you to read the instructions and questions. You will have a chance to check your work. All the recordings will be played once only. The test is in 4 sections. Write all your answers in the listening question booklet. At the end of the test, you will be given 10 minutes to transfer your answers to an answer sheet. Now turn to section 1 on page 352. Section 1, you will hear a man buying tickets over the phone. First, you have some time to look at question 1 to 5 on page 352. You will see there is an example which has been done for you. On this occasion only, the conversation relating to this will be played first. Example. Good morning, Municipal Museum of Art Information Desk. Yes, I'd like to find out about tickets. That's our special events department. Let me transfer you. Narrator. The woman says she will transfer him to the special event departments. So C has been circled. Now we shall begin. You should answer the questions as you listen because you will not hear the recording a second time. Listen carefully and answer question 1 to 5. Question 1 to 5. Women 1. Good morning, Municipal Museum of Art Information Desk. Man 1. Yes, I would like to find out about tickets for Woman 1. Tickets, that's our special events department. Let me transfer you. Telephone ringing. Woman 2. Special events. Man 1. Yes, hello. I'm interested in the series you have going on now. Women 2. Oh, you mean our lecture series on history of art? Man 1. Actually, I meant the concert series. Women 2. Oh, yes, of course, it's already begun, but there is still a concert tomorrow. That's Thursday. There is also one on Saturday, and then the last one on Sunday. The one tomorrow is that when they'll be playing Mozart concert. Yes, it is. Then I would like two tickets for that if they are still available.